Hello, good day, everyone. Yeah, this is Liieda Business Suite. So today I'll be showing you how you can register on Liieda Business Suite, and then you can use it for your business. Liieda Business Suite work on all kind of businesses. It's an all business end suite application. It is on mobile app, which is Android, like you can see right on this. So it is also on iOS, where you can have it work on Apple phones. So today, I will start by opening the app. So this is the Android app. So once it is opened, you can also open it on the website by visiting business.liida.com.ng, business.liida.com.ng. So so you start by clicking on start 10 days trial, then it will prompt you to register. Okay, so this I have already registered, so I will sign out now and show you and take you through all the features. So we have the basic features of $10 per month, and then we have the standard features of $25 per month. Then we have the So this is the business plus package. So it is $40 per month. Then this is the features of the app. These are the features of the app. Easy accounting, it does all of your accounting jobs. Invoices, does all of your invoices job. The CRM, your contact, your group, everything it has a rich portal. Your leads, you manage your leads, your customers, everything. Then your project. If you are a project handling company, it manages all kind of projects. Task, you can set tasks for every staff of your company. Then you can also set tasks for yourself using the app. Quotations, you can create a quotation from the app. Live chat, you can get to chat with your uh, staff using this mobile app. So you don't have to chat using WhatsApp, because if a staff member loses his or her phone, then the chat with which you have had with that staff over time will be lost, or the staff member is laid off or leave the organization. Then the chat you have had with that staff may actually go missing. But with this, since it is within the app, you just log in and you have all the conversations the staff has always had with other staff and even with yourself. Then online payment, you can accept and receive online payment using this application. So let's dive straightly to how it works. So I will log in right now. I haven't registered. I will log in using this email. So for a demo company, so then I'll click on login. You can see the speed at which it opens. It opens very, very fast. So right here, this is on a trial mode. You can see say you are currently using the trial account. So you can upgrade, clicking the upgrade now, then you choose the package you want to do, and then it automatically converts the currency to your local currency. Doesn't matter whether you're using pounds, dollar, euro, naira, Ghana cedis, France, all of them. So it works in all currencies. So if you are a service rendering company, you come to services, so you get to list your service right on the app. If you are a product selling company, you get to list your product right on the app. So this is where you list your products. So you can say, for example, maybe you sell laptops. So HP EliteBook uh, 840 G3. So then you can also copy this information and then put it under. Then you can say your supplier. Then your supplier, if you want to add your supplier, you can come here and say maybe HP supply you uh, laptop. So you can say HP. Then the company name is HP. Then the email of the company, for example, HP at gmail.com. Then the phone number then can be like this. Then after that, then you can decide to choose the country. All countries are listed right on the platform. Then you can just click save. Then once it is saved, you can see HP there. The cost of the product, that is the cost at which you bought the product. So let's say you bought the product at 120,000. Then the price at which you are selling the product, let's say 150,000. Then it is going to automatically calculate your profit. Then here you then the product unit, you can add the product unit to say, for example, pieces. So pieces. So then the description. This is where you use this and say, let's say 256 gig SSD, then 16 gig RAM, touchscreen, S360, convertible, silver color. So once you are done, then you click on save. So your item is right here listed. Now, if you noticed the where you can enter the quantity you have in your store is not right here. So to enter the quantity you have in your store, you come to purchase. So you click on purchase. So once you click on purchase, then you will select the product. You will see the product highlight book. Then this is where you get to enter the amount, the number you have right in store. For example, if it is 45 pieces you have in store, then as you said, it begins to reduce. So this is where you enter it. Then this is where you select your supplier, which is the HP. You see it has the date here, your order status, it is ordered or it is received. Then, having done that, once you click on save, it will save right in your inventory. Now, after successful registration, this is where you set up your app. So you come to company settings, you, co you come to company settings. Under company settings, this is where you get to enter your company name, your company phone number, registration number, if you are registered, email address, then the physical location. And then once you have done that, then you come to, uh, sorry, okay. So you click on the right on the company settings. So once it opens, then you have the opportunity of entering the company name, phone number. Then once you are done, then you save. For example, we can say demo company, then email, then your phone number, everything. Then you come to uh, save. Then you save. Once it is saved, then you continue by going to the settings. So this is where you do further settings. The currency of your country, you can select it right here. If you are using Naira, just say NGN, sorry, NGN. So you have Naira. So you have all the currencies of the world are actually listed here. Then where the currency symbol is positioned on the left, then you write from left to right. Time zone, you get to choose your time zone right here. Then having done that, then Your date format, the date settings, is it 24 hours or thereabout? Then invoice and quotations. This is where you get to set your invoice prefixes, everything, the invoice number, you get to give it the invoice number. Then the payment gateway. The payment gateway you want to use to receive your payment. So you can use you can set a default payment gateway by imputing account details. Then, or you use paper to receive. You want to receive through paper. You can receive payment through Stripes. You can receive payment through Razorpay configuration, and you can also receive payment through Paystack. You register with Paystack. Once you come here, you say yes. Then you go to your Paystack under your uh, configuration, under settings. So where you want to, where you have your Paystack public key and Paystack secret key. Then this is where you set your country. So if your country is Nigeria, you just set Nigeria, and then if it is Paystack, if it is other country, you don't have to select the. If it is other payment gateway, you don't have to select the country. Once you are done, you just click save. Paystack is actually only on 3 countries, which is once you select your country, South Africa, Ghana, and Nigeria. So once you are done, then if you also want to be able to send mails from the app to your client, so you can go to email template. So you can create or set up your template. You click on add a template where you can invoice, design how your invoice is going to look like to your customers. So then after that, then we have the uh, so that was a payment settings. Sorry, that was payment settings. So we are through with payment settings. Then we also have access control where you give access to your staff. Then we have the CRM settings. So where you set all your leads, your sources, your status, your lead status. You get to add all of those features into your profile. Then your payment gateway, then the product unit, then the tax settings. If you are the type that pay tax, and then you can control your taxation. You can also create staff from here by coming here to, you can see all staff, then adding a new staff. You click here, you can add a new staff. So you can give the person's name, the person's email, person's phone, you choose a password for the person and then confirm the password. Then active or inactive. So you make the person active, and the role. Then this is where you come in with the role. So you create the role. The role can be the manager, the cashier. So you get to create that from the access control. Yeah, this is where you set the access control. Then then the staff role. This is where you create the staff role, like the manager, the cashier, the depending on how what the kind of staff you have, like cashier. So then you can create another one called the manager. So you can have you can check the number of staff you have by the package, the type of package you have actually subscribed to. So then once you come here, you can see this, the app work very, very, very fast. You can click on add new staff by filling on this position, then you click on role, then the cashier or the manager. If yours is the accountant, you can select the accountant. If you want to upload the person's profile picture, you can upload the person's profile picture. And once you are done, you click on save. So then for project, this is where you get to upload your project. Then for leads, this is where you get to upload your leads, your supplier, your return. For example, if the product was returned, purchase return, sales return. Sales return is the one you sold and that was returned. The purchase return is the one you bought and that was returned. Then we have the manager, we have the file manager where you get to upload and even send files to customers. Then we have transactions, and then we also have reports. This is report. This is where you get to monitor all your expenses, your income, everything that you do right in your business. You get to see the report of everything, your purchases, your expenses, the price, your cost, your gains, everything. So the report will give you everything you want. So, and if you still have further questions to ask, you can always send email to info@Liieda. Liieda is spelled as liieda.com.ng. Info@Liieda, liieda.com.ng. Info@liieda.com.ng. Thank you very much.